London, Ontario, Canada, January 8, 2025. Forecasters say that another 25 centimeters of snow fall in London, Ontario across the day Wednesday, doubling the amount already on the ground from an overnight down. City snowplow operators have been working since Tuesday when snowfall began and are having a hard time keeping up. Residential streets likely won't get plowed until Wednesday evening at the earliest, said City Roads manager Joel Gillard. Forecasters said it's going to be a tough commute for people today and it's going to be a long process for their team to get things cleaned up. The hazardous conditions forced Western University to cancel morning classes, and school buses within the City of London and in Middlesex County were also cancelled. Some schools north of the city were closed completely, with a full list at the bottom of this story.
Olha o Anderson limpando o carro ali, ó.
There are varied amount of snow in different parts of the city. It's very localized with higher amounts depending on where exactly you find yourself, said Environment Canada meteorologist Steve Flischfeder. Right now, we have very cold air, and when the temperatures are that cold, it really changes how the liquid in the atmosphere changes into snow, and that alters the fluffiness of what is falling. A snow squall warning will remain at least until early afternoon, as well as flurries throughout the day. Temperatures will go up as the week goes on, with a chance of flurries every day until the weekend, Flischfeder said. A low pressure system will make its way into the area on Friday evening, with more snow to add to what we get Wednesday. Provincial police in the Middlesex County and the nearby region are advising drivers of hazardous conditions on area highways and county roads. Environment Canada issued the snow squall warnings for Barrie, Goderich, Innisfil, Owen Sound, Blue Mountains, Northern and Southern Grey Country, and Stratford, among a few others. Canada's weather agency says there will be heavy snowfall with additional accumulations of 10 to 20 centimeters locally by this evening.
Oh dear.
Lake effect snow squall will continue to affect the area today. Heavy snow and local blowing snow can be expected at times, Environment Canada said. The snow squalls are expected to ease to lake effect flurries this afternoon or early Wednesday evening. The alert adds that visibility could be reduced to near zero in heavy snow and blowing snow. Travel is expected to be hazardous due to the reduced visibility in some areas.
situation. As you can see, the balcony is full of snow. But I must say though,
Other parts of the province, including Fort Hope and Fort Severn, are under extreme cold warnings. Toronto and the GTA aren't expected to see accumulating snow until Friday when the weather system could drop around 5 centimeters to cap off the week. It remains cold. However, with the daytime temperatures in Toronto expected to hover around minus 7 Celsius on Wednesday, thought it will feel more like minus 14 with the wind chill.
Nossa. Hoje vai ser bom.